Hello guys, I'm Viv, and in this short video I'll show you how to make your subscription list public, because the giveaway ends on September 30th, so yesterday, and I am going to announce the winners soon. But before, please check if you have your subscription list public, and I will show you. This is very easy, just few clicks. So go here on your account and click, then go to settings and click on privacy and keep all my subscriptions private. If this button is blue, I will not be able to see if you are subscribed to my channel or not. So please check this. If you entered the giveaway, please check if your subscription list is public. So this button, it has to be gray. Otherwise, I will not able to see and you can't win the giveaway. So please check all my videos here. Please watch this video because this hooded cowl is amazing, and stay tuned for another amazing giveaways. And in few days I will release the pattern, the written pattern for the corset cowl. Okay, so we have a tutorial, and soon you will be able to find on my Etsy and Ravelry the written pattern. And here, if you click on see more, you can see this is timestamp. I am keep telling you about timestamp. So if you click here, you can see row 3. If you click here, you are going to see what you have to repeat here, first side, so you don't have to go up and down, I don't know, reverse or something. Yeah, so timestamp, it's gold for all tutorials. So please check if you are subscribed to my channel and if your subscription list is public. Love you all, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye!